Hey Spoon Inspired people, it's Imani here. It's wash day. I mean, look at this hair. I have not washed my hair in weeks. A mixture of being busy and can't be bothered really has got it into this state, and I really do need to do something about it before it gets even worse. So I'm going to try a few products, new products that I've not used before from Maui. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've seen a few reviews and I've seen their product range around, and they seem quite affordable, so I wanted to try them for myself. So this is the Maui Moisture Hair Care line, which I thought would be good to use right now at the stage when my hair is feeling extremely dry due to my neglect, I know. And I'm starting with the shampoo, which is the Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo for dry hair. It has a nice thick texture and it does smell nice, tropical coconut scent, but it's very light, not too heavy, nothing that's too overpowering. Initially, I was struggling to get the shampoo to lather, and I thought it was just because my hair was so dirty, it hadn't been washed for so long, that I wasn't getting much lather. So I did wash it maybe 2 or 3 times, and this is pretty much as much lather as I could get out of it. I've seen other reviews of people using it and there was a lot more lather than this, so I don't know whether it's a shampoo or I just think that my hair was just extremely dirty. I think it was just a case of there was just too much product in my hair that needed to be washed out, but I really didn't get much lather out of this shampoo. But anyway, I worked it through my hair and it felt really clean in the end. It really did feel quite light and refreshing to have washed my hair, so it did the job. For conditioner, again, I used from the same line the Shea Butter Conditioner for dry damaged hair. Now this really did have a much stronger scent. It smelled really nice actually. Consistency was nice and thick, the way I like it. I like to use a lot of conditioner in my hair, and this was really nice to use. Lots of slip, and I could see that it was already detangling my hair as I was raking the product through. I was expecting to be doing a lot of detangling. I was expecting a lot of knots because I hadn't done much to my hair. However, this really did just help my fingers glide through and just break up any knots that were there. I didn't want to use a comb at this point. I felt that I didn't want to have to comb through my hair too much, and I'll do it as I was going to apply the products after this. So I just let the conditioner sit in my hair for about an hour or 2 and rinsed it out. At this point my hair was feeling really light and clean and really soft as well. Just realized that my microphone wasn't on, so this part of the video might sound a little bit different. So for my moisture or leave-in conditioner, I used the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil. It's not a good picture of the front, however it's the curl milk for thick curly hair. Now this is the second time that I've used this particular product from Maui, and I really like it. I like using it on my girl's hair as well. It does a great job of just moisturizing and making your hair feel just really soft. So this is what I used before starting to go through the detangling process to really detangle my hair, and there was a lot of knots. It was really needed, but I did it gently because I realized that part of my hair, especially on the top, has been thinning out slightly. That is why this year I will not be doing, well, I say not, I might be tempted at some point, but at least for now I won't be doing any wash and goes for a while. I'm just going to stick to protective styles and then wearing my wig when I need to. So I would highly recommend the coconut curl milk. It's affordable and it's something that you can apply to your hair every day. After my hair was thoroughly detangled, I decided just to do a very easy, super easy flat twist style. And I'm using my Lottabody foaming mousse to do this. All I'm doing is just flat twisting and adding some perm rods on the ends. I didn't do too many flat twists. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep the manipulation of my hair to a real minimum this year. And I really actually just plan to take the twist out in a few days and then just put it straight back into flat twist again. And here I am a few days later, just taking the twists out. I wanted to film a video and I thought I'd just see what my twists were looking like. I wasn't expecting much, but I was very much surprised at how defined the curls were. It looked really cute. I was quite happy with the results. So there you have it. I'll be using this combination for a while. Shampoo, condition, moisture, and twist it up. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please do subscribe if you are new here and you have not, and put on your notification button so that you will not miss the next hair review. Like I said, I'll be mixing up my content this year with hair, style, and chit chat. So this will go into a playlist. If you're only interested about the hair reviews, then simply just click the natural hair playlist, or you can just watch whatever you want to watch. Have a great week. Keep taking spirit inspired actions, and I will see you in the next video.